Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Next, in this video we are going to talk about comments. We have already talked about print, variable and data type. Now let's discuss what are comments. Okay, let me show you some examples. See, these lines are not counted and shaded in different color, right? Because these lines are commented due to this hash symbol. If we comment it, it will be not a part of our code. See this. When we run it, we can't see. We are getting only these two print statements. Now let's all. We have nothing output because these are commented. Comments means not like YouTube and Facebook comments. Now let's try some other. Now there are two types of comments. There are single line comments and there are multi-line comments. First let's talk about single comments. Always single comment start with hash symbol. Okay, after the text we written after the hash symbol will not be counted in the code. Okay, now let's write empty. Let's create any variable now. So I'm writing comments, just comments is equals to, let's write any string. This is for comment check. Okay, let's get it like this. After getting this comment check, if you print this thing, okay, let's print comments. Now let's run this thing. We have it. This is a comment check, right? When we commented this line of variable, to comment the shortcut is control slash. For every editor, the control slash for commenting any code in any language. Okay, we have commented this thing. Now let's run this again. See, we got an error because there is no name comments is not defined because it is commented. It's not counted in these variables. Okay, let's comment this thing also. We can't see anything here. It's an empty line. Now let's check about multi-comments. Single line comments are used for like to-dos. Okay, my first task in this code is create an variable. And in this place I will create an variable. And second, create an object. In these lines we have here now like this. So now let's check about multi-line comments. For multi-line comments there will be no hash symbols. There will be three quotes like this, and I will write something. This is multi-line comment check, and it will end with 3 lines. I will run this code. There is nothing because this line is commented with multi-line comments. Okay, I am clicking enter. If we did it for this, it is added to another comment line because it is using a snippet. If we cancel all the snippets, see, after running this thing, we got an error because there is no command that will be brackets and comments like this. So I think you have understood this comments topic. Let's meet in the next video talking about another topic about Python.